The 955 is the control and connection hub for your classroom audio system. You can set the microphone volume levels by turning the microphone volume knob up or down. Once a nominal level is reached, generally about 12 o'clock, the flex mic can be used to fine-tune as needed. There is also an audio input volume to control the level of all your connected media sources. We recommend you preset that audio input volume to a nominal level approximately 12 o'clock. Then use the volume up or down on your computer or other source for regular adjustments. If you need to connect additional media devices to play through the audio system, use a standard audio cable to connect an audio device to one of the audio input ports on the 955. The other end should connect to the audio output or headphone jack on your device. You can also adjust the system's bass and treble to your preference. If you have a hearing impaired student with an assistive listening device, then the transmitter can be connected to the 955 in order to retransmit all audio directly to the student's receiver. Finally, you can power down your audio system by pressing and holding the power button until the power light turns off. To wake it back up, simply tap the power button again.